Add cube. Add subdivision surface modifier. Change levels, viewport and render to 4. Tab edit mode. Adjust object by scaling faces. Add UV sphere. Scale down and along the axis to make leg. Adjust position, scale, and rotate leg. Add mirror modifier. Set axis to Y and mirror object to cube. Shift D2, duplicate, adjust rotation. Adjust position, scale, and move 2 legs. Add plane, tab, to edit mode, and subdivide twice. Hit D twice to slide vertex, repeat 3 more times. Now adjust vertices and add loop cuts as needed. Scale object and adjust vertices until you like the shape. Add solidify modifier. Change thickness to 0.1. Add a subdivision surface modifier. Change levels, viewport and render to 3. Add cylinder. Rotate on Y-axis. Scale down. Scale along X-axis. Select object. Change origin to geometry to origin. Tap to edit mode. Select face. Scale down. Add a few loop cuts. Now adjust position and scaling as you wish. You can add more loop cuts to make adjustments. Move tail to body and adjust objects as needed. Select objects and shade smooth by angle. In edit mode, select faces and separate by selection. Select object, tab to edit mode. Go to edit preferences, then add-ins. Type loop in the search bar, check loop tools box. In edit mode, right, click go to loop tools, click circle. Go to edit mode, select faces and delete faces. Add a solidify modifier, adjust thickness. Add a subdivision surface modifier. Change levels, viewport and render to 3. Apply solidify modifier, then subdivision surface. Add torus. Adjust segments, minor and major radius. Rotate, scale, and position mouth on Poliwag. To add face inside the mouth, Alt-click to select edges and press F to fill. Switch to sculpt mode, select inflate tool. Change from ++ to -B4 sculpting. After making eye shape, add UV sphere. Adjust scale and position in eye area. I sculpted with inflate tool more and smooth the area. Now adjust and scale eye into position. Add mirror modifier for Y-axis. Mirror object is body.